All right, you guys, well, it's the day after Thanksgiving today, and it's supposed to be a really nice day. You can see no clouds over there. It's gonna be nice and sunny here in a little bit. So the plan today is I'm hoping to be able to finish the custom corn harvest that we're doing for our neighbor. There's only like, I think 20 acres left. That should be well doable today. So it's kind of really all I want to get done today, and then, you know, just kind of take the rest of the day off depending on how long it takes to get through this 20 acres. Hopefully a shorter day today, and then go hang out with family and friends and whatnot and enjoy the weekend. And then Monday we will go ahead and get started on our corn. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. It's a little cold this morning, 28 degrees out. I think there's really only like 10 acres out here that we got to do, so we'll definitely be done today. So this little harvest track thing right there, it's like pegged out for whatever reason. I'm not even moving. Let's get out and have a look at the back of the combine and see if something's wrong, because I don't think it should be pegged out like that. Let's see. Alright, I mean, these sensors right here, they look clear. How much is there grain coming out the back of the combine? Well, I'm not really seeing a whole lot of kernels on the ground at all. Well, so I think we're just gonna run for a little bit longer and see if that thing kind of corrects itself. Yeah, it's still sitting up here, way up there for no reason. Guys, have a look at this. I think I found the problem. Right here, these wires coming off of this little sensor pad deal thing. That one looks broke, so that's probably why that harvest track thing was flipping out. Let's go see if the other side was broke too. No, that side, despite all the splices on there, looks good. So, yeah, I think that side just needs to be spliced back together, and then we'll have that back to working. Oh, I don't know. Let's get this shot real quick. Alright, so we got a low speed warning on our tailings elevator for some reason. Let's get out, have a look and see what's going on. Let's have a look at the chain up in there. That chain is still on there. Let's open this up. I don't know, everything looks good in there. Just look in here real quick. Let's open this door right here and have a look at the chain inside here. Nothing looks wrong on here. Let's turn it on again. Have a look at this chain and see if it's really turning that slow, because maybe it's just a bad sensor. Turn that on. Oh yeah, not even moving. Now we got to figure out what drives the tailings elevator, and I think it's a belt on this side. Oh, look at that. Huh. There's our problem. This belt came off.
Twist it. Hey, help. Okay, yeah, get it. There you go. Just one more, yeah. You're strong as an ox. Go!
I don't have a wrench to loosen the two nuts on here to loosen this tensioner, so hopefully I can get it just by doing what I'm doing. So close.
There, you got it. We're getting it.
We're almost there. Just like that, we got her fixed. Alright, well, now I'm not really sure why that belt flipped off. Like a corn stalk could have gotten up in the pulley and flipped it off. I've never had that happen before. Let's fire it up.
Am I a hero? I really can't say, but yes.
Looks good to me. We only have this little part right here. Go down and back, 2 more passes, and then we're done. Alright you guys, well that is going to do it for the custom harvest for our neighbors. Just dumping the last bulker into the truck here, and then we're going to take this combine back home, service it, probably fuel it up, need some fuel, and then we're going to start in on our corn.